We all know it, selling customized products is complex. Part of it is due to the vast amount of inputs required in project and lead qualification. Also, have you considered the amount of time and resources you put into analyzing and qualifying the data when you finally get it? It's not only complex, it's also very costly to your sales organization. But why is it so complex? Well, you make your calls, schedule your meetings, travel to the customer site, ask a lot of questions and follow-up questions. In most cases, additional information is even sent by email. Only after these and additional steps are you able to create an offer for your customer. And it only becomes more challenging as your pipeline grows with leads. What you need is a place to organize your projects and the associated site and lead information, so that you can increase agility throughout your sales process and business assessment. But where do you even start? Well, let's make it simple. With INHANCER, you get a collaborative space in the cloud where you are enabled to work with your customers in collecting the data required to make the right offer and pairing the right solutions to the requirements. All in one, and it works as an add-on to your CRM system. INHANCER is the dynamic pipeline management tool that keeps information from customers centrally stored for better high-quality lead qualification. Sales departments define their products using the fully customizable interface, create collaboration boards to build a structured framework for a collaborative information flow with customers. You can even invite specialist team members for quality assessment and close high-quality leads faster. INHANCER, your sales relations only smarter.